What I go on, my people? Who remember when Lady P go take the whole pill them on her TikTok live? Well, guess what? She come out and she confirmed, say she da look pity when she did do that video there. Me I tell you, say she wicked. But anyway, coming up in more segment of this video, she be him a go on with himself as usual. And me not didn't know said, what's she name? Rosealee man did attack her on her live. Me never see the video, but anyway, me see one video which part Destiny come out and talk about it. And him have quite a few things to say. But you know, continue watching the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, go on with yourself, alright?
In private, I'm going to take the pill because I know nobody not going to pity me. So it's like this gives me a sense of where I can get pitied from 100 and from 100 people, 200 people can come and say, oh, Lady P, we got you. But you get me, so I think this is allowing me to start accepting pity. Before.
I put the man house, I know the man house, my love. So why she not put her and the man living at the house? So why she not make the man go on? The man don't live nowhere. Rose now leave not more blood clot. Leave it to you, leave it to you. Destiny if it take. Me not understand what you mean. Our mother house, then she if you run the boy, I know she if you go on. And she if you tell him if you go on. I come a beat her. And it don't look good. The penny them did I do her so. Almost that's why they say CDA they want to take the penny them. It don't look good for true.
Destiny. Yes, the last night it was really emotional. You see the stuff the way you hear me? You see, listening to the live last night, if you were listening, you would have cried. Honest to God.
Man, be Rosealee and mash up Rosealee it already now while I never cry. So I know me go cry.
No, but you see the alright, she
cry. Why me that cry?
No, I'm telling you. Listen, Destiny, honest to God.
So Rosealee.
No, yes,
Rosealee. Let me talk about life, please. Rosealee.
Listen, listen.
Rosealee deserve everything she get. She deserve it. When
why
you know why she deserve it? I'm gonna tell you why she deserve it. Over and over, this man keep training, this man doing your things over and over. Even upon live, the man will grip upon the live. Most things the man will do to you over and over and over and over. You sit down in the situation. Every day you sit down in there, you're not move. You're a woman. You need to get up. You need to get up at your mother house. You need to tell the man say for go on or the time not for go on. You see this is shadow now? You're going to say she come later. Leave me, my man. Don't put on me, my man. So she deserve it. She keep defending. Me I tell her so she stand, she keep defending. Leave me, my man. She deserve it.
Lady, in comment, I'm asking Destiny a question. This has nothing to do with you. Please, don't be disrespectful. I'm asking her a question.
I speak. I said she deserve it. This is my life on TikTok sensation. I don't need to explain anything much on one.
That is true, but like some of the stuff, like, why may I tell him I don't know?
Leave me, my man. That is our excuse.
So if you come live and say that later, say leave Shana, man.
Rosealee man, I beat her from when? I know today, I know tomorrow, ask them. Wicked on that coconut head. We are talking about, I'll grip her up on live. And try to bite her and everything. What's on that? That's what me would say last night, me that see it. The man do it, say man, the man tell me say I'm going to shoot, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. See that how much people will come for her, pay them and sitting.
One question. Last night when she said, this is two people in the comment section. The last night when she said to him, say, she gonna mute the TikTok. And not grape in the one grape over the side of the corner. When did I ask about the sex?
I was at it. You know, Rosealee always talk about like I was at it. I know today. What's that? Me tell you say it's not today. Me not sorry for Rosealee. But the end of the day is a man a ill treat and do your son. It is your mother place. You make him go on about him business.
But me not think the guy live there. Does the guy not look like he live there?
Him sleep there with her. All if he not live there, no, make him go on.
But to hold the relationship with Rose and her mother, I don't think that Rose's mother cannot say nothing to that man and Rose can't say nothing to that man either.
Rose class all the mama for the man.
Hey.
She said he nearly chop off her hand already. And that me I tell you, oh, I tell her somebody up on the live. He man nearly chop off Rosealee hand.
The internet
In
freeze.
cut her Rosealee. It's just something me don't know. You come like say this a relationship you have some time at it. You know Rosealee tell the man or the man tell
That
Rosealee.
is what she was saying last night. She don't know where she go wrong or where she do. She wouldn't love him, get rid of him and move or whatever. But at
15 years of a relationship.
10 years, she said, they been together.
15 years, say. What do you have? If you have one man, that 10 years or 15 years. And the man, listen, you know, the man is not giving you anything for your babies. That man should come out. You should left that man long blood clot time. How can you breathe for your man and have to pin for your man on the internet a blood clot big? But me not tap on TikTok or on Instagram. Me and my friend go talk the truth. Supposed to left that blood clot man long time. Go on and leave the man long time. You all are black, you are black. Support. Hold on, I'm talking, man, because you don't come pick up your bias and you're busting.
Me not pick up here, me and ask you a question. How me a pick up? Hi, lady, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Queenie, my love. She was on Queenie. Because Queenie, he might have beat her years before Queenie. Me talk to my mom, I'm for busting, but I'm going. She all are black people and I defend the man. And the man so ugly.
The first time you ever take in her life when she a cry and situation happened with the man, you know. But last night was really emotional. But me never know some of these stuff.
Sexy Ray on TikTok.
Yeah.
I'm go on them live and see some ball in Rosealee. What's on that? Ask them. When I say the man I grip Rosealee on live.
Mighty God.
Then I can see the banner.
Me did to a screen recording when they said they call CDA upon her.
And man, a man not supposed to put them hand on a woman. Once you put your hand on me the first time, from you go the forest and you take up a chopper and chop me on me and now you're done. You come back again, y'all are choke me. The man I choke Rosealee on live.
But she not no family member?
You say she cuss her mama for the man?
No, apart from her mother, she not no siblings, she not no sister, no brother, nobody can help her.
Yeah, Shabba brother, not from Shabba brother. Come and see Shabba brother. This one guy did that, me know him brother. Me only see brother on the TikTok, me see our brother. Shabba brother, one of your brother live there, brother. I think brother live overseas. Shabba brother. Kiana sit down and take man beating every day, so man. Get up, man, is a woman. Get up.
So maybe she not know where to go.
I mean, she don't know if you go to her mother place. She don't know if you go to her mother house. And the man, if you come out of the blood clot house and go about in business. I'm not have no blood clot space. Did they stand up in place? I'm for leave. I'm for go on. And the man ugly, see. That's why I put her in a place where they are, you know. I can't tell you. They say when they are because we don't because we fight. I say move blood clot because we for people open the blood clot.
I don't know.
Flat man. Not even wrong turn and look on that pussy all day. Ugly affairs don't compare.
Well, me watched her live last night and it was really sad. And if this is what she's going through all along and sit down in her, but nobody can help her. She have to help herself. I hope she.
You better Rosealee go in a country then. Where will her grandmother and family they then? If she cannot stay with some.
And a Kingston she original from?
Yeah, but she have her family I must say St. Elizabeth.
Oh. I don't know, maybe somebody will reach out to her and help her.
And that me I say, why she not call the police and up on live and evidence today? Who are going to reach out to her? What that have to do? Nobody cannot do nothing. You're deaf? Who are going to reach out to her? If you go by and say, Rosealee, please come, she block you. I'm defend the man. No, when I love somebody to the fool. Me could have loved it to me. Rosealee and my mother the same thing me love. Me say the man could have just beat her, look at him, and that's why I'm glad my brother didn't chop up him blood clot. So for my brother didn't chop up him, could have put his hand back by my mama. Chop him up. I think
she's scared as well. She's scared why she not want to leave.
Scared.
She feels said yeah, cause last night she just say, I said somebody that can lick me.
Your mouth so bad pan internet and scared of that man there. And you're so big and the man mad. If
always go.
I'm fatter than the man.
You say a while ago you did cut out a while ago.
Me say If Rosalie hold up that man, they are squeeze the man flow from him blood clot. The man they broke up and dead because the man favor spaghetti.
Well, me don't know what man look like, but I hope she get herself out of the situation that she's in because last night was like last night was really sad.
I'm not going to get herself out here. Something wrong with her. Yes.
Me hear what you say, but
you don't have to the man who are working on that. You're the next blood clot one.
just like blood clot you are the next blood clot one. So what? Me feel sorry for you.
Let me tell you the truth. I don't host a lot of weddings because I might take the bride. No, the groom. What me I do? Yeah, what me I do? I don't host a lot of weddings. I might just take the groom. I don't do it. The lady might not get a chance to sit around the main table and enjoy her cake. Bon appetit will be me. You hear? So I don't host weddings. I don't host weddings, I don't host party, because I'm going to take it over. Me host a party, I forget. Me go forget say me host a party and just broke out in people and function. Me can't do them something. My body now give me the obedience. Yeah, my body very disobedient people. I don't know what to think and think. So I don't do a lot of hostment. You understand me? Somebody said my host, if I do commercial, if I do ad for hosting, what me do ad for hosting for? I want host a bit. The boy come from prison soon. I don't know when he coming on. I mean now hold this. Me now hold this. Me now hold out. Me now Winnie Mandela. Me tired to talk to him. Talk to the judge. Tell her you have catches of fire. I'm not doing it. Oh, you mean go and all out? Me see Winnie do it and Mandela left her. Yeah, you know see cartel gun and shorty duck. I mean, I don't know when me born with such a discipline. You're too disciplined. You're too bloodshot. I will cuss you now. Get up, get busy body. Do you want a party? So I have my own emotions going through, ladies and gentlemen. It's not just Rosealee. Me too. Me too. Sometimes when I see me here, this need company. But I don't speak about it. I leave it be. One day I'll fly away. Far away, very far. Yeah. Every time the boy tell me say he might come and me and him go file for me. Oh, if you just come from prison and go file for me, you're filing there for embassy I wait for you. And you make me keep this. Sometimes me have to walk and look for this at night time. Where are you? Turn on the light on the phone. Catches, where you there? In a prison you can even ship some thumbtack or staple. Since you can't buy nail. People, it's not Rosealee alone. Me don't want back. Me don't. So glad I'm cast my eyes. I'm cast my eyes. Yeah. This is too much. I love you guys. I'm gonna finish crying here. I love you later.
And then when I feel like I'm getting upset, I can come on the live and just act out like a spoiled child. But what if I never had social media to act out, and what would I do? I came on here, I took pills because I have social media can come and do it. So in private, probably would take the pill because I know nobody never pity me. So it's like this gives me a sense of where I can get pitied from 100 and from 100 people, 200 people can come and say, oh, LapyP, we got you. But you get me, so I think this is allowing me to start accepting pity. Before social media, I don't take pityness, and since I come on here, it's like I do things for people. It's like I start to act up because I know that people are going to pity me. I mean, I want to live my life in a pity. I don't want to be a pity, a sorrowful person where they me come on and when things are work up, me come contact my story and then people pity me. That's not the life that I want. And that's the life, but that's the road I'm going down right now because I can come on and say, me can't mother now. Me can't come and only go all of my emotion them when in person, in private, but I've got to spray and figure it out. You get me? So because I have a platform, I can have a platform, and I can come vent to. I don't have to pray no more, I don't have to vent together because I can come and vent to 400 people. I can come and vent to 400 people. I can come and get mad with 500 people or pity me and send you money and all those stuff. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. And if I get my act together before it is too late, I need to get my act together before it is too late. So, yeah. Because I can't come on TikTok, I have 500 TikTok friends, but in reality, if I should drop down my house, who do I have? In reality, if I should drop down in my house, is somebody from TikTok going to take the plane and leave their job and come and rest and help me? No, everybody have their own private life. So I need to build my own private life and build for family. I go pray to God for your next husband and me know say I read my husband a build a life or something, but come on here is not helping me. So no matter what person can say, LapyP, we love you. Reality is everybody have them bills to pay. Everybody not gonna resign from them job or actually 2 weeks on them job and know say I pay them rent and come my here or help me to see. No. So I need to face reality, and TikTok is social media overall. It's not my reality. You get me? Because we can't come video me on social media. I'm drop down right now. Who on social media going to resign or beg 2 weeks off and take taxi and take plane come when they have their own problem and responsibility? The only thing they're going to do is to come and give a $1 motivational speech. So I have to step back and face my reality. You get me? I call my granny last time I start crying. I said, Mama, I want to come home. She's like, come home, why? Go pray. Go pray and believe. Come realize you don't believe them when you feel weak. Go and pray. I said, I'm not praying. She said, go pray and believe. Go and pray and believe. You're not coming back here. Go pray and believe. Go work. Go repent. Pray. I want to tell my granny will give me it, you know. My granny is straightforward. She means like, but straightforward. Go repent, pray and believe. That's all I can say to you right now. I don't have no other advice for you. So I get me some of this, I lay down and I sleep. You know what time I wake up, I wake up, but say 1 hour ago. I just sleep and I say, no, Mama right. Mama right, I need to go and repent and pray and believe and just step away from the crowd, step away from the noise and go focus, because sometimes the noise is distraction, you get me? That's true, nobody really cares. Even when I see them come in the box, let me tell you something. Even when I see them come in the box, LapyP pray, LapyP this, abuse them and look and followers. Everybody want views and followers, everybody want come play Caps and Rose. So let's say they come, LapyP go pray, LapyP we got you and they come in their box. They come in the box only because they know it. So come in the box so probably give them followers and those stuff. It's not coming from a place of genuinity. Yeah, genuinity. It's not coming from a place of genuinity, you get me? And then I realized that because I come on social media, I've been separated from my family. You get me? Since I come on social media, I've been separated myself from all my family because I was caught up in this social media fake life where, you know, I'm not talking to my cousin. Because I just come with me caught up with social media friend way. Because my cousin will never judge me. My family, no matter what, they never ever gonna judge me. They never gonna look down on me as I'm this taste, so they're not gonna look down and say, me this, me that. They know me, they understand me. You know, I'm not talking to my cousin, she's like, you got this, I admire you, you're just strong. You know, I'm not talking to my cousin, and I thought that they would judge me. That's why I didn't speak to them, because I thought that they would genuinely judge me because of what they did. They don't. So that taught me a lot of this man. I was talking to my cousin, and it taught me a lot so much. I realized that, listen, stranger gonna judge you because stranger, that's who they are. Your fake friends them, they're gonna say, oh, if you come on TikTok and cuss, you're gonna stop that to you. Like, I don't know if that's something good or bad, but how can my own personal friend tell me that if I come on TikTok and curse, you're gonna stop that to me? I don't understand.